Hello, Bright Minds. Welcome back to BrightMind CBSE Class, where learning becomes easy, smart, and fun. I hope you are doing great and ready for the another exciting lesson.
In our previous lesson, we learned how to subtract fractions and mixed fraction. Today we were going to learn how to do multiplication of fractions and mixed fractions. So let's get started. Remember first these rules. First one, multiply the numerators. Second one, multiply the denominators. Third one, simplify the answer if possible. Okay, so let's take our example. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 equal to 2 into 4, 3 into 5 equal to 2 is to 4, 8, 3 is to 5, 15. Okay, so our answer is here 8 by 15, right? So here we will do multiply the numerator. We will do multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominator here. Okay, so our answer is 8 by 15. Let's take one more example. So I will write here 5 by 6 into 2 by 3 equal to, when you are multiplying fractions, it's actually a pretty straightforward process. The new numerator or on the numerator of the product is just the product of the two numerator, or your new top number is a product of the other top number. This one, so 5 by 6 is into 2 by 3, it's equal to 10 by 18, or we could write in a long form 5 into 2, 6 into 3 equal to 5 is to 10, 6 into 3, 18. So our answer is 10 by 18. If you could see, both number are divisible by the 2. So if we want, we could do the lowest term of the 10 by 18. Okay, so let's divide it by 2. 10, 18 divided by 2 divided by 2. Answer our 5 by 9. So we could have done this step actually before. Our question is 5 by 6, 2 by 3. Our numerator is 2 and denominator is 6. Both are divisible by the 2. So let them cut. So we can cut 2 by 1 and 2 by 3. So our answer is 5 into 1, 3 into 3, it's equal to 5. 3 is to 3 is 9. So our answer is 5 by 9. It is same way. You can do this way or you can do this way. So let's take one more example of mixed fraction. Okay. So I will write here 1 by 2 is to 2 1 by 3. So here first we convert the mixed fraction into the proper fraction. Okay. So let them convert. So I will take the first mixed fraction. I will write here 1 by 2 equal to 2 is to 1 plus 1 by 2, it's equal to 3 by 2. Let me take the second one. Second one is 2 1 by 3 equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 equal to 7 by 3. So we can write like this. So we can write, here is the our answer 3 by 2 and 7 by 3. these are our fractions. So we can write like this: 3 by 2 into 7 by 3. So here we can do multiply in two way. Okay, first we do the lowest form, lowest numerator or the denominator. Here only one or we can do letter. So here number 3 both number 3 are divisible by the 3. So we can do like this. We can cut the numbers, see, 1 and 1. So it will become a 1 by 2 into 7 by 1. It will come 7 over by 2. So then we convert this 7 by 2 in mixed number. It will come as 7 by 2. It's equal to 3 1 by 2. Okay, our question is in a mixed question. So same way we will give the answer in a mixed fraction. Okay, so you already know how to convert the fraction or in a mixed fraction. Okay, so or we can do as 3 by 2 into 7 by 3 equal to 7 is to 3 is 21, 2 is to 3 is 6. So if we convert this 21 by 6 into lowest form number, so both the number we can see both the numbers are divisible by the 3. So let the divided by 3, so it will come 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 same way here. Now convert this 7 by 2 in a mixed fraction. So we will get the 3 1 by 2 same way. Correct? This is our answer. Okay, so that's all for the today's lesson. Hope you understood. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, small steps every day lead to big success. Happy learning. Thank you.